is I just need to measure down 2 inches.
Okay.
And then I need to measure the center. So that's all of our hardware. And we're going to use the longer screws. There's 4 long screws and then 2 little screws for something else at the end. So these pieces go together. Here are wheels.
On the bus?
Wheels on the bus. And then these will be little brackets. We've got 2 screws for each of those.
Okay, so you're lining it up with that 2-inch line.
Yeah, and then I'm going to center this hardware on top of the door. We have a previous video where we show installing the pocket door frame into an existing wall, and you can watch that video right here through the link. So when this is up in the track,
Okay.
it's just gonna slide in and this will lock it. Just hold it on like that. So
Okay,
if you
here,
need
take it off one more time.
to remove it, you just slide it out.
Okay.
So these are the wheels that go up in the track, and you want to orient them like this. So you have 2 wheels on this side, 2 wheels on this side. And we're just gonna slide them in just like that.
Yeah, do you have one way and one the other?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see it?
So I have this little drywall tool. It's actually coming in handy to help if you only have one person to install this door and it's heavy. You put this under the door and you push on it and it'll help lift
Lifts
it up.
it. Smart. You cannot believe how heavy these doors are since they're solid and ginormous. Okay, so he's holding it there. He's got his drywall kicker. Okay, so when you push on it, it lifts it up. So I can't record both, but I can. So are you doing one side at a time?
Yeah, so I'm gonna lift this up and slide this into that hardware. So actually I'm gonna use my little wrench.
Okay. Sorry about the shadows.
Okay, struggling. We're gonna get this. Oh, I think I got it. Is it in there?
It's maybe partially. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's locked.
Okay, that side.
Woo, okay. So why don't you move that over to more like closer to the side that you're lifting? Okay, so what happens is when he steps on it, step on it a little bit. So I can kind of see. Okay, so it kind of lifts it when he steps on it. So this side is easier because the other side is locked in place and you don't have to hold it up while you're doing it. Wouldn't you think?
Yeah. Go in there. There we go.
All right, that's amazing.
All right, so now I just need to level it. Just needs to go up on the back just a tiny bit. The kit does come with this angled wrench to allow you to make these adjustments, and you do need to install this door before you put on the final trim, and it makes it a lot easier. I will also have a video of installing a locking pocket door handle that you can view right here.
Okay.
So that's pretty good.
Awesome.